So now friends, we will do formatting in map. So how we can do format? So first of all, I will create a map. So I will go in map and in your location, I will put your states, and in your legend, I will put category, and beside that, I just increase its size also. So this is our map, and in your bubble size, I will put the sales. Here is the sales, and I will put it in the bubble size. So we have a map here, and if you will see this map, so it have a bubble size and everything. And if you want to do some editing in this map, I will just increase the size also map. So here we have a map, and if we want to do some formatting in the map, so how we can do that? For that, we will go to this format your visuals tab, and in map setting, if you want to make it, first of all, is like your style. So what size style? Arial. If you need Arial style, you can make it an Arial style. Okay, this is the Arial style of map. If you want a dark map, you can keep it as a dark map, and whatever style, but we are taking the only the way which we have light map. So I will put it as a light map. So this is a light map we have, and with our mouse, we can hover over mouse, and we can see that our map is showing a pie chart type of map. Legends, if we need legends, top left, wherever you need, like we have a top left, but if you want to keep it in the top right, we can keep it in top right. So legend will be in the top right column, or either in other sides, top left text stacked, we can keep in top stacked there. And if you want to increase the size also, we can do that. So I will just increase the size also. We will keep it 20 and wait for some time. It is taking some time, and size will be increased. So now its size is increased, like furniture, office, and everything will be detailed. Titles, if we go to titles, the category title. If you want to bubble size, if you want to increase the bubble size, we can increase the bubble size also. So this is the bubble size here. So according to sales and according to whatever category we have, it is showing us the details. Then colors, like we have three colors. If you want to change the color of any category, we can do that. If I go there and change it to somewhere around this chart, this one, now our color will be changed. When you will, now its color is changed now, and other details are also there. And beside that, if you will go to map setting, bold text is there, and in map setting controls, if you want to zoom button there, so we can even put a zoom button here. So benefit of zoom button is, like, we can use it, increase the size of chart and decrease the size of chart from here only. And we also can have lasso button here also, so it will show a lasso button. So rectangle, if you want to put anywhere rectangle, it can put a rectangle there, and wherever we want to focus the area, we can focus that area. So this is the way we can create a chart. Next thing, like, we can go to journals, and in titles, if you want to increase the titles here, so I will just bold it and increase the size title. And then the next thing I will do, I will put a background also there, and background is like somewhere around this blue, and keep it in the center. So now this is our chart, and if you want to see focus mode, we can go to the focus mode, and if you will just close all these panes, so we can see the chart in a better way. So I think that's all from this side to how to format the chart. There are other things also you can do and play with chart. Thank you.